How would you like to launch a professional custom website for your organization without ever writing a single line of code? In this Case Management Hub tutorial, I'll show you how to use our easy drag and drop web page builder to design your pages, publish updates, and connect with your community. It's all included with your all-in-one plan at no extra cost. Okay, we're here in a branded version of Case Management Hub. You'll find my websites on the sidebar and go to Website Pages. I'm going to filter to show just my website pages. First, let's look at an existing web page. Here's one I've created for my organization. So now let's take a look at creating a new one. Just choose Add New, and you can choose a website page, a blog post, or a few other pages. Let's do a website page. Once you create the base, you'll get a template to get you started off. Just click in to begin to edit. Over here under Page Fields, you can drag in different elements. You can easily change images by clicking on the image and clicking to upload. You can add images already in your file system or upload new ones. Simply drag to resize your images and other elements. Additional elements you can use are images, banners, text fields, dividers, and forms. Let's take a look at what adding a form looks like. Once you drag in the field, you'll be asked to select one of your forms. Once your page is ready, you can click Preview to take a look. And when ready to publish, just click Publish. Here you can edit the online link. Then you'll receive the link and a QR code to use to send people to your page. You can click Share to grab the links. Click Send Page if you'd like to send a link to the page to staff, clients, or referral partners. Once your page is live, anyone will be able to get there from your URL. When you click the blog post page, you'll be given a slightly different template. Next, let's take a look at the public form page. Here, it's going to take you directly into the form builder to build a new public form. Forms will have their own online links, and you can link to them from your website page. You'll notice there's two other types of website pages, the class page and the event page. I'll talk about those in another tutorial. Here on the My Website Pages table, you'll be able to see views to your web page. You can also assign web pages to specific programs. Simply use the Settings gear. In the settings, you can also choose to make the page private, requiring a password for access. Under the More, you can add a description for your page. This helps your search engine optimization, helping Google and other search engines find and understand your page content. Under Actions, you can choose to unpublish, clone, or make your page inactive, or you can also delete it. If you need to make edits, simply click Edit Page. And that's a quick run-through of our handy drag and drop, easy to use web page builder in the Case Management Hub. If you have any questions, reach out anytime.